ba? Oh, that reminded me of the end. Thank you. Go first! You look a bit, do I look sad? No, I'm not sad, guys. I'm just tired kasi gikan ako Compostela and I like met people that supported me and I was just like talking to people. So, naubos na yung battery ko. But I'm still here talking to you guys kasi nag-wait kayo eh. Sorry. Yeah. I'm not sad, guys. It's okay. Go na ba? Mag-go na kayo ba? Guys, I can't leave. Well, let's sleep together. Gusto mo? Shout out Iloilo City. I'll go na ha? I'll go na ha? I'll go na ha? Kasi hindi pa kayo nag-sleep. What time na? What time na? Oh, 12:17 na. Then you have class pa tomorrow, you have work pa tomorrow, tapos nag-watch kayo ng live ko. Sus kayo. Let's sleep na. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you po for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye-bye na ha. Bye-bye guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Guys, I love you guys. Thank you guys.